Hello, welcome friends, and this is another quick video tutorial about a poster which is requested me by one of my client. So from his request I'm making this illustrations, and actually this is a very simple illustrations. Now I'm creating a heart. Now see, the creating of heart is very easy, and step by step follow me. And there are very different type of just see, now it looks like a heart and exactly look like a heart. So just little bit of adjusting, I'm enlarging this features. Okay, now see, the C is in heart, little bit of just rotate it, and okay, so see, and you can see it by clicking outline mode. See, this is the outline mode. Control Y, that is a shortcut of outline. And when you creating outline for the purpose of outline, to watch the unwanted part, see, now I'm using this pathfinder tool also here. So creating this heart shape, there are the offset path. You can use offset path for the look, like the sticker look. Okay, so sticker type of look. So this is actually flat type of 2D illustration. So if you want to make a 3D type of illustrations with this flat looking illustration, you can easily use this offset path. So here some font, so I need to watch which is comfortable for this illustration. So it's Happy Heart Day. Actually Happy Heart Day, it's observing all over the world as maybe 28th June, okay, every year. Because of this was a day, the I do not want to say. You can Google it. There are many other options about Happy Heart Day. I'm just creating here this illustrations, and this is a quick illustrations. And the Happy Heart Day, you can also use a Helvetica font here. Helvetica font use for the more trustful font. See, this is a you can use here another color. So see and watch, and there are some so I need to say here Happy Heart Day. So okay, so you can just play with this font and cap here. You can go to the characteristics and make it gap here. So that's the space of between this letter. So you can make it space. So adjust with this happy word. So okay, so you need to put it here. Okay, now go ahead and so custom and ungroup it. Always make the outline mode if you want to approved by Shutterstock. Why? Because Shutterstock always approved the expand features of font. Live font cannot be approved by the Shutterstock. So see here this abstract one thing is abstract shape. Now I need to create a circle here. The purpose of creating circle, and there's a meaning about a life circle. So heart is a very effective organ, a very essential organ, which is always live and always sound like a tick heartbeat. So if your heartbeat is close, you will be deaf. So this is a symbol of life circle. So the purpose of this creating of this circle, it's not only aesthetics but also here a simple meaning also. So here the little dot for the minimalistic contemporary art point of view. So see, and this is almost done, and here almost done. And if you think it is very useful video for you, please share it, and don't want to tell you, subscribe this channel for the more future updated video. Thank you very much for watching. Till then, stay tuned and please watch this video till the end. Okay, thank you very much.